there is a tunnel here, but this is not the state line tunnel.
You need to keep the road steady, though.
The road is steady. It's straight here. I'm not going to go back and forth.
You're jumping around too much.
I'm not jumping around at all.
Jeff, it's the road.
Oh, okay. It's what I can't control.
In other words, we're bouncing back here, but
Oh, okay, but I can't fix that. This is a nice tunnel, isn't it?
Yep, you can see the tunnel view on the GPS.
Yeah. So the GPS knows we're in a tunnel, don't it?
Yep. I can see the light at the other end of the tunnel.
Yep. See the light at the end of the tunnel.
I'm not in your way, am I?
no, you're fine. I don't know how good that